employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jocelyn Rabanyo, 43 years old, single. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have 3 brothers in the family and 1 sister. My educational attainment is a college graduate with a course of Business Office Management. I have work experience in Dubai was March 15, 2005 until April 15, 2009. I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. Then I worked here in the Philippines as last 2011 until 2015, good for 4 years. I served 5 members of the family, 3 children and 2 adults. Each of the children are 5, 3 and 1 year old. Then I worked in Jordan last March 16, 2016 until 2018. I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. As a worker, I know how to cook, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and tutoring. As a household worker, I am honest, caring, patient, and hardworking. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I assure you that I will do all my duties and responsibilities to your family and kids. Thank you and God